Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see atomic structure of oxygen atom. Symbol of oxygen is O. Its atomic number is 8. In this atom, 8 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Out of 8 electrons, 2 electrons are present in the K shell. The rest of the 6 electrons are present in the L shell. We know that nucleus consists of protons and neutrons subatomic particles. In this atom, 8 protons and 8 neutrons are present. Using this number of protons and neutrons, we can calculate mass number of oxygen atom. Sum of protons and neutrons is known as mass number of that atom. So here mass number of oxygen atom is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 60.